Well, my algebra, this is my last video I'm going to make today. Hoo! And it's on, guess what? Guess what? Percent change. So remember, our test will have some functions, some solving, but the focus is going to be percent story problems, and percent change. Bob's weight went from 640 pounds to 40. Well, bless his heart. What was the percent decrease? Now remember, percent change problems, when you're given the starting and ending pretty much, is change in value. How much did it go up? How much did it go down? Over the original, and that's what messes people up. They usually want to put it over the new value, but no, you're comparing to where you started from, equals percent change over 100. So 640 to 480, I do believe that's 160 pounds. Wow, good for him. Whole new wardrobe. Over the original, which is 640, is x over 100. So it'd be 16000 cross multiply equals 640x. Oops. Divide both sides by 640. So let me get my calculator. Of course, use a calculator. Now is when a calculator is valuable. And I get 25% of his weight. Wow. His knees would probably hurt less, I would hope. A car went from 34,000 to 42,000. That's sort of what's happening right now over the last year and a half. So that's an $8,000 increase. Mercy. Over the original, which is 34,000, equals x over 100. Now be careful. It's easy to lose zeros here. So it'd be 8,000 times 100 would be two more zeros. Equals 34,000 x. So I'm going to divide both sides by 34,000. Mercy, I'm slow at this. Get my calculator, I don't know. So it's 800,000 divided by 3400. And I get 23%. Holy cheese. Rounding it to hundreds. So a 23% increase in about a year and a half. Whoa, Nelly. There's two problems I want you to do on your own, and then turn the video back on to see if you did it right. So have a good time. Well, welcome back. Maybe you had a little snack, but I hope you got these two right. So Rachel's grade went from 99% to 92. Since they're both percents, you really don't need to worry about those. 99 minus 92 is 7. Over the original is 99, is x over 100. So it would be 700 equals 99x. So 700 divided by 99. And she went down 7.07%. It's almost a little over 7%. Now, if I would have said she went from 100 to 92, that would be 8%, because that's how much she went down. But I made it a little bit more trickier. Let's see what we got. Divine Child went from 820 students to 832, so that's 12 out of 820. Now, since we have such a big school already, it's not going to be a huge increase. But if you had a school that only had 200 students, and they got 12 more, it'd be huge. We had a teacher that went to a grade school that only had 104, and now it's 150, I think. And that's like huge because you're increasing it 40 some kids when you only had 100. So it's like really a blessing for them. So 1200 equals 820x. Divide by 820. So it's just a little bit over 1%, probably about 1.5, something like that. Let's see, 1200 divided by 820 is 1.46. Again, round to the 100th. So I hope you could do that, because you're going to see it on Wednesday. Hey, have a good day.